Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a valve cover gasket on a Ford Focus. First, gather all your essential tools, including a socket set, a torque wrench, and of course, your new valve cover gasket. Safety is paramount, so always ensure your engine is completely cool before starting. Then, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues. Finally, take a moment to locate the valve cover and identify all the hoses and wires connected to it. Now, let's move on to removing the old gasket. Begin by carefully disconnecting all hoses, electrical connectors, and ignition coils that are attached to the valve cover. Next, using your socket wrench, unbolt the valve cover. It's crucial to work in a crisscross pattern to evenly release the pressure and prevent warping the cover. Once all bolts are out, gently pry off the valve cover, being very careful not to let any dirt or debris fall into the engine. With the old gasket removed, it's time for cleaning and installation. First, thoroughly clean both mating surfaces, the cylinder head and the valve cover itself. Remove all old gasket material and oil residue. If your manufacturer recommends it, apply a very thin bead of RTV sealant at specific corners or junctions. Then, carefully place the brand new gasket onto the valve cover, making sure it is perfectly seated in its groove all the way around. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Carefully place the valve cover back onto the cylinder head. Reinstall all the bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specified torque settings, again using a crisscross pattern. Reconnect all the hoses, electrical connectors, and ignition coils securely. Once everything is back in place, reconnect your negative battery terminal. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes, visually inspecting the new gasket for any signs of oil leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.